Myself Nisarga CP, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Bahubali College of Engineering. In this video, I am going to present a seminar on topic automatic car parking system using Arduino. Contents: Introduction, Scope, Objectives, Hardware and Software Requirement, Methodology, Advantages, Applications, Result Expected, References. Introduction: The smart car parking system will overcome all the challenges and difficulties that are there in the conventional parking system. Um, in the city life with full of automobiles, the smart car parking system will be a revolutionary change in managing the parking slots. Scope: The scope of the project is to adopt of automatic smart parking system so that the availability of space will be enhanced and the security will be also enhanced, and also the availability of the space will be known. Automatic car parking system will also save time, fuel, and reducing the environmental pollution. Objectives: The main objective of the project is to develop a user friendly automated car parking system which reduces the manpower and time saving. It also helps in a safe and secure parking slot with a limited area and to reduce the traffic mess caused by an unplanned parking system. Next is software and hardware requirements. Hardware requirements are Arduino Uno, IR sensor, servo motor, SG90, LCD display, power supply, and software requirement is Arduino IDE. Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on Atmega 328P. It has 14 inputs and output pins, 16 analog input, 16 megahertz crystal oscillator, a USB connection, a power jack, and a reset button. Next is infrared or IR sensor. IR sensor is used to detect the objects and also obstacles in front of the sensor. This sensor keeps transmitting the infrared light. When any object or things come near it, it detects the sensor by monitoring the reflected light from the object. Next is servo motor SG90. Micro servo motor SG90 is a tiny and lightweight servo motor with high output power. Servo motor can rotate approximately about 180 degree and works just like the standard kinds but smaller. LCD display. A 16 cross 2 LCD display is a very basic module and it is very commonly used in various devices and circuit. 16 cross 2 means here the display has 16 characters per line and there are 2 such lines. Arduino IDE is a software requirement which supports the language C and C++ using some special rules of code structuring. The Arduino IDE supplies a software library from the wiring projects which provides a common input and output procedures. Methodology. Here Arduino Uno is connected to the power supply and LCD display and also IR sensor, servo motor, IR sensor 2. This is the block diagram of the proposed system. Arduino connection with LCD display and servo motor interfaces using desired coding. Next, servo motor is used to lift the gate at the entry and exit of the parking area, and the PWM signals from the Arduino Uno is to make the motor rotate. Next is infrared rays is placed at the parking slot along with the servo motor. On IR board, obstacle detection LED is indicated that detects the vehicle movement. Next is in LCD screen, the display of the status of the parking slot. The advantages of the proposed system is it ensures the quick and automated parking and easy retrieval of vehicles. It is a low cost system providing maximum automation, and it has low maintenance level. No high maintenance for the system is required. The user can access and occupy the data to determine the availability of slots. Next is application. The smart car parking system can be implemented in offices, shopping malls, and etc. Um, Next, the user can know the information of the parking slots in advance. The friendly orientation of cars for driving in and out. Results expected. When the vehicle comes near the parking slot, the IR sensor detects the vehicle and the availability of the slot is displayed in LCD. Further, the servo motor helps in close and open of the gate of parking system. These are the references. Thank you.